I owe you, the man that owns the property, who's going to be your partner. I owe you $500,000, and I will pay you over 10 years, 15 years, 8 years. You can create the terms and the conditions for this loan. And with that loan that I owe you, you basically go to the person who's selling a property and you say, listen, we've got just a little bit of cash, but we've got a promissory note here. And the promissory note is for $500,000, and the asset that it's secured is $1 million asset. Maybe you'd rather have a 6% return, or 7% return, or 8% return. Let's talk about whatever the hell the return is. But will you allow us to buy your property for just a little bit of cash and a $500,000 loan that's well secured, created to your own terms and conditions that make it comfortable for you, where you're actually probably making more money than you would in a other bank CD, if you're making 2% or something like that? You can find people who will sell their properties